Hey, what's going on? Dan Bradley here, and in this short video I want to give you my thoughts and opinions about a product that was actually launched a couple of days ago that I've seen every affiliate really telling you is the best thing since sliced bread. So in this video I want to talk about Lazee Profitz, delve inside that membership area and show you actually my personal thoughts on it and really give you enough information so that you can make a decision, an informed decision about whether or not this is a product that you think is actually going to help you online, or is it just another fad that you really don't need. So that's what we're going to be answering in this video. Now, if you like straight to the point reviews, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell notification to be notified about up and coming product releases, tutorials, giveaways, all the other awesome stuff we do right here on this channel. But with that being said, let's dive into Lazee Profitz and see exactly what you're getting, and really, is this worth it or not? Let's go. Alrighty, so welcome inside the membership area for Lazee Profitz. Now, what I really want to talk about here is exactly what they're offering for you, because there are some parts of this software that I actually really like. So there's a viral system that I think is going to be really, really interesting. But so this is the main dashboard. Okay, you're going to see here these sites, and what this enables you to actually do, let me just open this up in a new tab. What this enables you to actually do is to basically create review sites. Now, here's the thing about review sites. The first thing is that they make this sound, especially from their sales page. So if we look at their sales page here, you've got, this is the laziest, easiest affiliate site builder you'll ever see. So that's the first claim. The second claim is this: new Lazee Profitz system creates one click, we're going to check that in just a second, one click, affiliate sites in just 60 seconds. For unlimited traffic and commissions that two super affiliates use to make 50k plus per month. Apparently it's from the beach, okay? So, here's the thing. Yes, reviewing products is a very good way of making money online, okay? I do it myself, okay? That's why a big bulk of my online income comes from, is reviewing other products and building up a list. But here's the thing. When I first started out, it was tough. I mean, it's still tough sometimes now. But it was really tough. It was really, really tough. There's a lot of competition. And I think definitely, I mean, I've been doing this now for almost 2 years. And definitely within that 2 years, the competition has definitely increased. There's now more people doing it. And particularly in this kind of, creating reviews and this kind of launch jacking, as it's known as, method, has definitely increased. So there's more people doing it. And that makes it hard. It also means that people who are doing it now, there's a lot of people who take this very seriously. A lot of people who are SEO experts, a lot of people who actually spend money on each of these reviews because they know they're going to be able to make that back, plus some, okay, to do it. So it's not the easiest thing for a brand new person to get into and to get involved in. But as a long-term method, if this is something that you're willing to stick with and work with, this can be one of the most profitable ways to get going in internet marketing, okay? Finding products, reviewing them, building up a list, a customer base of people who trust you, want to listen to you, and from that list, what you're able to actually do is market to them. Obviously, again and again, you've got email, you've got YouTube, you've got your blog sites, all of those things that you can market to. But those things take time. It's going to take time to build up that audience, okay? You're not just going to be able to grab Lazee Profitz, guys, and make a commission like that. That I can tell you straight off the bat. However, it is not all bad. So let's dive back into this site builder here, and you'll see it's created one of these done-for-you review sites. So products that have been released, okay, fairly decent products, okay, Rank Real, it's a good piece of software, all right, done for you lead pages, all right, few products in here that are pretty nice, okay, a lot of products in here that I recommended and reviewed myself. Now, this is what you're going to get. So someone can go on here and they can read the review, and the review is written for you. Now, the people who are going to really benefit from this is those of you who don't have English as a first language. So if you struggle to write in English, then this is going to be great for you because this is already pre-written and you're just going to be able to drive traffic into it and it's going to basically do that. But that's what I've seen so many of these review videos for Lazee Profitz saying is, all you have to do is drive traffic, right? But I know for many of you, you're like, well, that's great, but that's the part that I'm stuck on. That's the difficult part. And I agree, okay? This is the one area that, you know, a lot of these trainings and softwares and stuff just doesn't cover because there is no quick method, okay? You can run ads, but you've got to learn how to do that, okay? You can start doing SEO stuff. You can rank sites, which is what you're going to need to do really to drive traffic into your Lazee Profitz software. You can create YouTube videos like this one. Here's the thing about YouTube videos, all right? It always seems like a great idea. Now, you're going to be in one of two ways, all right? Some people will be, I don't want to get my face on camera, I don't want to create this, and they have all that kind of nerves. And then the other people will be like, okay, yeah, all right, let's go and do this, let's go and create YouTube videos. But let me tell you something about creating YouTube videos. It is tiring. Being on camera all the time and having to talk, and you always have to be slightly happier than you actually really are in real life, you know, to make it watchable to your audience. So that's not an easy option either of driving traffic. And there's a lot of competition. There's a lot of competition on YouTube. There's a lot of competition on Google. Now, these sites do two things which I really quite like. The first thing is you're actually going to be able to encourage people to join your mailing list. And out of all of the methods that I use, so obviously I have stuff that's ranked in Google that I get traffic from. I make a lot of YouTube videos, okay? We try and put out 2, 3, 4 videos a week on varying different things. All right, so I have lots of YouTube videos, but the majority of my sales and the majority of the money that I make actually comes from my email list. So it doesn't come from Google, it doesn't come from running ads, it doesn't come from YouTube videos. The majority of it, the largest portion, actually comes from email. And let me tell you, writing emails is a hell of a lot easier than any of the other methods, and certainly cheaper. Okay, running ads is not overly complicated. It takes a little while to set it up, at least the first time, but I've got to pay for that, right? Emails, I'm paying, you know, a few dollars a month for my autoresponder, so I use GetResponse. And if you're looking for a great autoresponder, I'll drop the link down for GetResponse down in the description below this video. And you can get yourself, I think it's a 30-day free trial. It might be 15 now, but I think it's a 30-day free trial because they're the autoresponder that I choose to use. Now, that's the first thing. Okay? The first thing is they're going to be able to enter in their email address, and actually what you can do is you can create these custom emails that say, okay, when you've brought in 3 people into the system, 5 people into the system, whatever it is, then you're going to give them some kind of a reward. Now, that reward would probably be a digital product. So you can say, hey, refer 3 people into this system, refer 3 people to my link, and I'm going to give you, you know, a premium case study. I'm going to give you an extra bonus. I'm going to give you whatever it is. All right? It's going to be a digital product, most probably. There that you're going to want to give away. So that's really, really cool. That is a nice way to do things, to get people involved. But think about it, if I said that to you now, if I said to you, okay, hey guys, I'm going to give you a special bonus, a special discount, a special product when you refer 3 people or 5 people to me, okay? When you send 5 people to that page. And would you have 5 people now that you think, actually, yes, they'd want to receive this, they'd take action on it, and they'd go through and check this out, right? Do you have 5 people now that would do that? Maybe you do, maybe you don't, but it's not as straightforward as you think of just, you know, the traffic's just going to come and come and come, all right? And one of the things that we're really looking at on this channel, particularly in some of the changes that I'm making over the next few months, and guys, if you're not yet subscribed, you want to get yourself subscribed down below, click that bell notification because we are bringing a lot of changes over the next 12 months. In fact, over the next couple of months, really, ready for next year. This channel is going to change massively. So lots of changes coming up about what we actually do here and how we're going to be doing it. So lots of big changes coming. So make sure you are subscribed because I don't want you to miss these honest reviews. Now, that being said, going back to this system. So we've got a review in there. The other thing that I like is that they're giving you some products, okay? Some bonuses, sorry, not products, they're giving you some bonuses. And you can obviously give these bonuses away to your tribe, okay? So to people who purchased it through your link, you can give away the bonuses. And definitely bonuses are something that work. I give away bonuses whenever I recommend product. And if you choose to pick up Lazee Profitz, I will also be giving you some bonuses, right? Bonuses work for that reason. So you're going to get them available. But personally, I would say that this needs a little bit of work, okay? You're going to need to change some stuff. And you can, guys, you can change some stuff here, okay? When they click test this product, they're actually going to go through your affiliate links. So one of the things you need to set up is the affiliate information, your logos, okay, your name, bio if you want to put it in. You're going to put in your affiliate links or your actual IDs. Okay, so JVZoo, ClickBank, Warrior Plus. Now, you're going to need to get approved for these products, okay? You're not going to be able to promote these offers without getting approved. So you're going to need to go through from JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and actually get approved for these offers. Now, if you're brand new, you've got no history, you may find it a little bit tricky to get approved. Now, one of the best ways to get approved is just to literally grab your phone and film a really, really quick video. Just be like, hey, my name's Dan. I appreciate that I'm really, really new here. I'm looking to promote your product. It looks really awesome. I'm planning to use this software to do it. I'm going to create a review page and then rank that in Google to drive traffic through to your offer. I'm happy with delayed commissions. I just really want to get started in my online journey. Thanks very much. All right, create a quick, short video like that. Those make such a difference, guys, honestly, all right? It's not a guarantee approval method, but I can tell you that those with videos do 99% better than those without. Okay, so just make a really quick video, okay? Just quickly do it with the phone, boom. If you really don't like to be on camera, then just write a message. Make sure you put a little message on this in, hey, my name's Dan. I know I'm really new around here, and I appreciate I don't have a sales history, or I don't have a great sales history, but I love the look of this product. I really think I'm going to be able to send, maybe just 2, 3, or 4 sales to it. I'm happy if you can put me on delayed commission so I can prove myself to you that I can send good quality traffic. I hope you're going to give me this chance. Thanks very much. Sign off. That's it. All right. So you're going to need to get approved for all of these offers. Okay. So it doesn't come with instant approval there. That's one thing just to note. Now, here inside the Lazee traffic system, as I said to you before, you can set up all of these automatic messages, okay? So this is what they're going to get here basically when they go to sign up. But then you can also set up the triggers that say, okay, so if you have referred, so for example, 3 people, then you can send a download link, okay? So if you've got something else that you want to offer people, which you need to have some sort of incentive, then you're going to be able to use that. And actually, guys, that's the part of this system that I like the most, is the fact that you're going to be able to do this referral business. Because without that, I think the software is pretty weak, and there's not that much customization. Now, here's the thing, right? If you want to just get started, you really want to get going in this system, you want to get going in this industry, and you're just looking for something that's going to give you some of these done-for-you reviews so you can start experimenting with traffic sources. You can start experimenting with some SEO, you can start experimenting maybe with some ads, you can run some of those. Maybe you want to start making a couple of YouTube videos and get a channel started. Then Lazee Profitz is going to be pretty good for that, because when you're starting off, this is going to be better than nothing, and it's going to be great for those of you who are really busy. Maybe you've still got a full-time job, busy family life, all of that sort of stuff, and creating review pages and actually going through a product and reviewing it and actually being able to get review access, which they're not going to give to a complete newbie, of course, is difficult. So definitely Lazee Profitz is going to be useful for people who are just starting out, but I would say that this system is not something that you're going to want to be using once you start building up a decent following. And the reason I say that is because you're going to want to put your own mark on it, right? You need to create a brand, you need to create a presence, you need to create a bunch of loyal cherubs, if you like, that love your brand, your message, everything that you're about and that you're saying. So I think it's going to be a little bit difficult to do with Lazee Profitz. It's going to be a little bit tricky to do, but if you're just starting out, maybe English isn't your first language, and you want to get started, then I would recommend you check out Lazee Profitz at the link down below this YouTube video. Now, if you've got any comments, guys, please feel free to pop them down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. Feedback is really important to me. We do these very honest reviews. They're not always good reviews that we find. Sometimes it's some good points and some bad points. But I think it's important that we give you guys all the information so you can make an informed decision. So, that being said, that pretty much brings me to the end of this Lazee Profitz review. You'll see more information on the link below, including all of the bonuses that we've put together if you decide you want to pick this up. And we will speak to you on the next video. Get subscribed, get the notifications on. Make sure you click all notifications so you get notified about product launches, reviews, bonuses, trainings, tutorials, giveaways. I don't know what else we do here on this channel. Loads of awesome stuff, especially coming up really soon. So get subscribed, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Ciao.